Welcome back to the next topic, students. Isomerism in coordination compounds. It has two types: structural isomerism and stereoisomerism. And the structural isomerism, four types: ionization isomerism, coordination isomerism, linkage isomerism, and hydrate isomerism. In stereoisomerism, the spatial arrangement of the elements in a geometrical isomerism as well as in a optical isomerism. So here first we'll see the structural isomerism, ionization isomerism first. Having same molecular formula, isomerism means same molecular formula but different structure is called isomerism. So in ionization isomerism, having same molecular formula but having different ions in the solutions are called ionization isomerism. Only these counter ions are considered as a ionizable one. So now let us see this chromium and NH3 four times Cl and Br and NO2. So first we will nomenclature of this. First we should say the alphabetical order amine, then chlorido, bromido like that. So tetra, amine, bromido, chlorido, chromium, Roman letter 3, it is nitrite. So here I have taken this nitrite inside and bromine outside. So here this is Cl, Cr, NH3 4, Cl, NO2, Br. So only when you test this NO2 group and Br silver nitrate tester, it will answer for a silver nitrate tester with a silver bromide precipitate, you will get it. So what nitrate test, brown ring test if we use, it will answer. So for this is only the test to find out the number of counter ions. I mean counter ions are outside will be ionizable and inside the square brackets are non-ionizable. And then next CO NH3 4 Br2 and 1 Cl is outside. Then next if you use the silver nitrate, you will get a white color precipitate with the AgNO3. When you take this chlorine inside and bromine outside. So I have taken this chlorine inside, bromine outer, same silver nitrate tester with the bromine now. It gives a yellow color precipitate of silver bromide. So these are the tests to given the ions are outside. So this is called ionizable and this inside they are non-ionizable. Then that is called different ions are present in the same molecular formula. And coordination isomerism, it is a bimetallic complex. Both complex cation and a complex anion may be present in this type of isomerism. Mainly we are not supposed to exchanging the metals. It is very, very important interchanging the ligands between cation and anionic entities. So here are CONH36 and CrCN6. Just interchange the cyanido this side, amine this side. So what this is cation, this is anion means this chromium should be present in a, I mean ended with 8, chromate. In this exchange, I mean here it is a full thing is exchanged. So what chromium contains a NH3 and CO contains a CN6. So what here it is a cobaltate that is called as a cobalt is a anionic complex, chromium is a cationic complex. If it is an anionic complex, the central metal ion to be ended by 8. So it is called cobaltate. It is Roman letter 3 enclosed in square, close bracket. Now let us see this CO NH3 6 in a square bracket and CrCN6. So hexa, amine, cobalt, Roman letter 3. That is plus 3 valency written in a Roman letter enclosed in close bracket and chromium linked with the ligand of cyanido. So what is hexacyanido? This is C donor atom. So I've written Kc. It is an anionic complex because first one is a cationic complex. Anionic complex means central metal ion to be ended with the 8. So it is a chromate, Roman letter 3. Then next, we interchange this. Chromium contains a amine ligand and a cobalt contains a cyanido ligand. So here hexa amine chromium Roman letter 3 and here it is a anionic complex, so it is a cobaltate. Hexa cyanido Kc cobaltate Roman letter 3 enclosed in close bracket. Next example, Cu NH3 4 times and PtCl4. Halogen, no need to put in a close bracket. So or here first you will write tetraamine copper 2 enclosed in a close bracket. This is tetrachlorido platinum 2. Here they are interchanging that platinum. I mean here platinum is taken the NH3 4 times and copper is taken the Cl4. So tetraamine platinum 2 here tetrachlorido cuprate 2 because it is a anionic complex ended with the eta. So cuprate. Next, linkage isomerism. It is nothing but ampidentate Lagrange because Cn minus we can write a Nc minus. Thiocyanate SCN minus can be written NCS minus and NO2 minus can be written ONO minus. These are called as a ampidentate Lagrange. There can be a donor nitrogen or oxygen. Only one compound ligand may be exchanging their donor atom. Here nitrogen is a donor, oxygen is the donor. In thiocyanate, sulfur is a donor and isothiocyanate, nitrogen is a donor. Cyanide, carbon is the donor atom, isocyanate, nitrogen is the donor atom. For example, CO NH3 5 times ONO, it is all called nitrito. NO2 also called as a nitrito. Common name is nitrito for both, but the donor atom only is a differentiating. So what nitrito KO and this is nitrito KN. So what it is a pentaamine, this is pentaamine. So pentaamine nitrito KO cobalt Roman letter 3 chlorides and this is pentaamine KN nitrito cobalt Roman letter 3 chloride. But here I have mentioned only how the ampidentate ligand is exchanged. So ONO is a red color. So here nitrite isomer is a O attached, so it is a red in color. So nitro isomer, nitrogen is attached, it is will give the yellow in color. So hydrated or solvated isomers are free solvent molecules. Let us see this in this. Here chromium, chromium, chromium. Here actually the valency of the chromium is 3 plus oxidation state. So totally 6 ligands supposed to be here. Here 6 H2O and outside 3 Cl3. So outside a 3 part should be present, inside a 6 part. When you remove one water outside of 1 chlorine will be get inside. So H2O 5 and Cl 6. Here 3 part. 2 chlorine, 1 H2O. And then again you remove one more H2O, that is 2 H2O. Out of 3 chlorine, 2 chlorine is entered here. So what 3 parts? Cl 2 H2O. And here H2O 4 times Cl2. Just listen this. Chromium, 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 you write. Water 6, 5, 4. Then no chlorine, 1 chlorine, 2 chlorine. Here 3 chlorine, 2 chlorine, 1 chlorine. 3 parts I said no water. Here only 2 part of chlorine means add 1 water. Out of 3, 1 chlorine means add 2 water. So like that you remember and write it. So each one giving 3 Cl minus. Here 2 Cl minus is a counter ion. Here 1 minus is a counter ion. Depends upon the counter ion and the color is getting changed. Violet and pale green and dark green for a 1 counter ion. So now I have given a evaluation for you. Just to do this, I mean, take out this question and write it with the help of rules and regulations are given for naming the formula and writing the formula. Thank you, students.